I'm Corey, founder of AutoAdvisor. The confirmed fix is scattered across 4 subscriptions and 4 logins, and while your tech hunts, the car just waits. So we built a diagnostics agent that puts the whole repair canon in their hand, on the bay floor. This is the diagnostics agent. It puts the entire professional repair canon in your technician's hand, right on the bay floor. So the confirmed fix takes seconds instead of half an hour of hunting. Let me show you exactly what it does, how it stays safe, and what it does to your diagnostic time. Let's start with the half hour you lose before the wrench ever turns. A code comes up on the scan tool. Now the confirmed fix is scattered, a little in ALLDATA, a little in Mitchell 1, a thread in Identifix, a procedure in Motor. 4 subscriptions, 4 logins, 4 tabs. So while a junior tech hunts across all of it, the car just sits on the lift, and the longer the hunt, the more tempting it gets to guess. And a guess is the most expensive thing in your shop. It's the part you eat, the labor you don't bill, and the comeback that costs you the customer. So let's meet the agent that ends the hunt. What is a diagnostics agent, really? It isn't another subscription to log into. It's the whole professional canon, unified, that your tech reaches through the phone already in their pocket, without leaving the bay. Here's how it works. The technician photographs the trouble code right off the scan tool with a phone, or photographs the VIN on the windshield, and the agent reads the text straight off the image on the device. Then it searches the unified databases, ALLDATA, Mitchell 1, Identifix, and Motor, plus real-world fixes for that exact code on that exact vehicle. And it hands back the most confirmed fix with the OEM procedure and a confidence score on the bay floor without ever opening a laptop. But it does more than find the fix. Here's what it actually does. It ranks what it finds, most confirmed first, and shows its sources and a confidence score. So your tech is trusting evidence, not the loudest forum post. And it writes the work down for you. A diagnostic session with the parsed codes and the VIN attached to that vehicle's service history. So every technician on your floor works at master level, the confirmed procedure in their hand, instead of a guess in their head. Now here's what makes it more than a search box. It learns your shop. It learns the vehicles you actually see, the fixes that actually held, and the procedures your techs trust. So its answers get sharper on the cars that roll through your bays. And the way it learns is simple and safe. A tech confirms the fix that worked. A human approves it. From then on, the agent remembers and ranks it higher next time. It never overwrites the professional canon on its own. It proposes, a human approves. The OEM procedure is always the source of truth. And it doesn't work alone. The diagnostics agent is one of a crew, around 15 specialists across your shop. While the others book bays and order parts, this one makes sure the work in the bay is right the first time. The point was never to replace your master tech's judgment. It's to put your master tech's reference library in every tech's hand. Now the question every serious owner asks. Can I trust what it tells my techs? Yes, because it shows its work. Every answer comes with its sources, a confidence score, and the OEM procedure, and your tech makes the final call. The guardrails are the design. Your diagnostic history stays yours, isolated to your shop. It never trains a public model on your work, and the shop across town never sees it. And it never asks you to throw out your scan tool or your subscriptions. It unifies what you already have. So here's the before and the after. Before, a tough code means a junior tech hunting across 4 tabs while the car waits and the comeback risk climbs. After, the same tech photographs the code, reads the confirmed fix, and gets to work. Minutes, not a coffee break of searching. And it shows up where it counts. Faster diagnostics, fewer comebacks, more cars through the bays with the same crew. One last thing, why it's built this way. AutoAdvisor was built by Corey Salisbury, with engineering experience at Tesla, SpaceX, and Rivian, where a diagnosis has to be backed by evidence, has to show its work, and always keeps a human in the loop. The lesson that stuck with me was simple. You don't rip out the system that works, you put a smarter, safer layer on top of it. That's the whole design. Run it right, and it's your same crew, working at master level, about 40% more efficient. Augmented, not replaced. If you want to see the diagnostics agent take a code and hand back the fix, there's a live demo. No login, nothing to install at autoadvisorpartners.com. That's life after the system. The busy work handled, and your team free to do the work only people can do. See it on your shop floor at AutoAdvisor Partners.